Welcome to the James Island Fire Department job-related physical agility test. I'm Captain Harder. Today we're going to be breaking down the different events for our job-related physical agility test, also known as JRPAT. Before we do that, we're going to show you the equipment needed to run our test. Each of our candidates will be outfitted with a 50-pound weight vest. The weight vest is to simulate the firefighter gear. They'll also be given a helmet and gloves for safety purposes. In order to successfully pass this course, we monitor each candidate with two proctors. One proctor will be monitoring the time and documenting it. The other one will be following the candidate through the course, making sure to look for any infractions or giving advice as he goes. As you can see, he's already set up at event number one. Event number one is our hose deployment. It's 100 foot of charged 1 3/4 line. He is holding the nozzle in one hand and the coupling in the other hand to simulate how we actually deploy our hose lines off of our apparatus. Also, there's no running in between events or during the course at all. The course begins once the candidate is comfortable with the hose and ready to start. Once he crosses the yellow line on the floor, his time starts. Go. Once the candidate hits about the 50-way mark, he drops the coupling and continues around the 90-degree turn, securing the hose to make sure it catches the barrel. At this point, if the hose does not catch the barrel, it is the candidate's responsibility to fix the hose, and time does not stop. After the 90-degree turn, the fireman advances the hose to the double cones and places the nozzle on the ground. Moving on to the second event in the course will be the high-rise pack stair climb. He shoulders the high-rise pack weighing approximately 45 pounds and walks up the stairs and down the stairs 2 times. You may use the handrail for safety, and you must touch every step on the way up and the way down. At the end of event 2, the candidate will put the hose back in the designated area and continue on to event 3, which is the ceiling breach. Back here at the ceiling breach, there are 2 pike poles to choose from, a long and a short. Once the candidate picks his pike pole, he gets in the designated area and completes his ceiling breach. Ceiling breach is 4 sets of 3 pushes and 5 pulls, weighing approximately 80 pounds, simulating what it would take to move a tongue and groove ceiling. After event 3, there is a small walking area. You stay in the designated area, catch your breath over to event 4, which is the ladder raise. Candidate will use the rungs of the ladder to raise it up and stand in the designated area. He will use the hand over hand method to raise the ladder up until it hits the brake, then back down, also using hand over hand, locking it into place, lowering it back down to the ground using the rungs. Event 5 is the equipment carry. The box weighs approximately 50 pounds to simulate a hydraulic power pack. It sits on a platform that is the approximate height of an apparatus compartment. Candidate will walk 50 feet and put the box back down on the platform. Event 6 is our Kaiser sled. The candidate will use a 9 to 12 pound sledgehammer to hit the I-beam weighing approximately 158 pounds, the distance of the I-beam, using a swing over the head or chopping motion. Event 7, the last event of the course, is the dummy drag. The dummy weighs 165 pounds dead weight. Candidate will grab the DRD with 2 hands and advance the dummy in a backwards dragging motion. After advancing around the barrel and going a distance of 50 feet and the dummy's feet pass the yellow finish line, the course is completed. Time to complete the course is under or at 8 minutes.